Assalamualaikum and wish you a very happy day. Okay, in this video, I will explain a little bit about the content in the lab sheet file. Okay, what you have to do, you need to go to your Kalam and download this lab sheet. Okay, the topic for lab sheet file is self-programming. So the learning outcome for this lab sheet 5 is the student will be able to understand the basic requirement to run a shell program. And second, the student should be able to differentiate between various type of variables and code usage. Okay, for note number 1, we go to the basic shell introductions. So you can use any text editor. Okay, for me, I prefer to use the VI text editor. And second command that I really like to use is the cat command. Okay, for this lab sheet, we use the VI text editor. Okay, after writing a shell script, and then you need to execute the permissions by using the chmod permissions. I will show you later how you have to do with your chmod permissions. Okay, first we need to open the file name first. Okay, so we go to Ubuntu and find your terminal here and open a file name first. Okay, please remember in your VI text editor there is a two mode, which is escape and insert. Insert is used to write and escape you will use when you want to quit from this VI text editor. Okay, then we want to write. Okay, press I and we write here. Okay, they write knowledge is a power. So here, for example, I'm writing hello UMP. And then press escape, type WQ to quit, and this is my first file. Okay, so if we want to see the permissions of the file name first, so we can type ls -l. Okay, so here you can see the file name first. Okay, so there is a write, read, write. Okay, here you can see. Okay, when we do the command ls -l, it will show us the detail of each file, include the permissions of the owner. Okay, the first three character is show the permission for the owner. The second three character is for group, and the end is for others. Okay, if you see here, there is no one that can execute this first file. So to execute this file, we use the chmod command. Okay, we use chmod command plus X to give the executions to all the owner, group, and others, and type the file name, which is first. Okay, then let's see. Okay, you can see here the first file name. There is the X here. X referring to the execute. Okay, so you add the permissions for all, execute permissions for all. Okay, next, if you want to run, want to execute this file, use this command, this one, / your script name. Here is the first, so it will execute the file. Okay, next, what you have to do is you need to open your file again, second, by using the text editor. Okay, this one you have to do by yourself and see the output. Don't forget to print screen the output. Okay, and try it yourself, which is you need to display the function of the calendar, how you want to display it, and display the number of users logging into the system. Okay, you need to know the command. Okay, second, we talk about the variable in shell. Okay, we have two types of variable, which is system variables. Actually, the system variable is maintained and created by the Linux and actually is in capital letter. And second, we have user-defined variable, and this one is actually created by the user, and we use a lower letter. Okay, so how we want to see the system variable is by using set command. Okay, I will show you. If we use a set command, okay, this is happen. When we use the set command, okay, there's so many things inside here. So how we want to show less? Okay, you set and less. Okay, see, you can see one by one the system variable. There's so many system variables. So you press enter. Okay, you can see so many system variables. Okay, so to and control Z. Okay, this is how you want to see the system variables. Okay, third, we go to the UDV, which is user defined variables. So how you want to use the variable here. Okay, this is the example lah. How you want to define variables and you want to display the variable. Okay, for me, example I use here is okay, fruit. The variable name fruit and we put banana. Okay, and for example, number is n equal to 10. So how I want to display this fruits banana? So I use the echo command, and then we put the signs. Okay, see, it will display the variable of fruit. Same goes to if you want to display the variables of n. So we put echo, the sign is n. Okay, so it will show you the variables of n. Okay, this one you should try by yourself. Okay, okay, try yourself for this one. You need to copy the coding below in the new file name error. So you need to create new file name error, and please write it down everything and run this file. Okay, you need to change the permissions, you need to edit chmod, and then run the file and see if there is an error. You have to write down the syntax error, and then you need to analyze the error and make it any necessary changes. There is an error inside here, so you have to analyze this coding. Okay. Okay, then second task is you need to write a simple shell script to display the output. Okay, if you see here, they need you to have one system variables. So you need to come up with one system variable and two UDV. Okay, to come up with this output. Okay, this one is for set. Okay, UDV, you need to declare the variables equal to value to print the variables. So use the echo command. Okay, and lastly, we see the quote. Okay. Okay, we have three type of quotes. We have a double quotes, we have single quote, and we have a big back quote. Okay. Okay, let's try to use this example. Okay. To see the difference between this code. Okay, for example, echo, we use a double quote first. Expressions 6 plus 3 and enclose with. Okay, we output if we are using the single quote. Okay, CHO, we are using a single quote. SPR 6 plus 3. Okay, let's see, the output is the same with the single quotations, single quotes. Okay, then lastly we use the back quotes. Okay, ESPR 6 plus 3. Okay, let's see the output. C is execute the command. Okay, so the function of the back quotes is to actually, for single and double quotation, there is a difference to use it. Okay, Okay, maybe you can see the difference when I use this example. Okay, for example, we use echo, we use a double quote. Okay, my favorite food is, okay, we use this variable. Okay, we put the variable inside the quote. Okay, okay, my favorite food is, okay, we put the variables and enclose it with the double column. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, see, it will appear my favorite fruit is a banana. Okay, what if we change into the single quote? What happened to the output? Okay, this is for a single quote. See, it will print out everything inside the enclosed single quote. This one. It will read it as all this thing is a string. But for double quote, it will print out the strings together with the variable. So if you want to dealing with the variable, you have to use the double quote. But if you just want to print the string, so you can use the single quote. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, you should try to do the second example. Okay, so for lab sheet 5, what you have to do, I need you to do all the example from note 1 until note 4 and do all try it yourself. Okay, make sure you print screen the answer and submit into the column. Okay, the duration for submissions is 1 week. Okay, if you have any problem, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, or you can ask your prospective lecturer into your own WhatsApp group. Okay,